Go. Hello, welcome to my kid videos. It's good to see you here once again. Today I'm going to talk about fans. Okay, we need fans in so many things. Wherever I want to blow air, we need fans. All right, and if you look at my videos, I usually talk about incubators. Okay, so we are going to talk about how you get your fans in your incubators. Okay, so moving from here, we have fans of different sizes, and I'm going to talk about brackets for holding them. Okay, the whole assembly, I'm going to talk about it. We have power adapters, which I'm going to talk about. We have some more brackets, screws. We have heaters right here, and then egg trays. Okay, so I'm going to talk about all this, so stay tuned, and I'm going to pause for a while so you subscribe and then turn the notification button on so that anytime I release any video, you don't miss it. Okay, so thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please go back and subscribe. All right, so the fans I have here are the 12-volt version. Okay, 12-volt fans. All right, I like the 12-volt fans because they blow better than the 220-volt fans. All right, there's a 220-volt version, there's a 110-volt version, and then whichever one you want you can get. But personally, I like to use the 12-volt fans. A lot of people don't like it because it makes noise, but I go for the performance and works so well. All right, and I'm going to leave the links down below. Okay, the links where you can buy them from US, from Italy, from Canada, from Africa, wherever you are, you can order these from. All right, so just check the link down below and then you know where to get all these from. All right, so I was getting a lot of complaints. Okay, how to fasten this to your incubators, your incubator body, your container, your house, and how to fasten this fans, how to fasten them onto the body or the compartment of whatever you are using. So I came out with this. Okay, so this right here is the bracket, something to hold the fans. All right, so I have holes in them, and then these holes are the holes for the screws that hold this to your body. All right, so in this case we are talking about incubators. You fasten this, okay, to the body or to the top of your incubator. All right, and then you have the fans fastened to it. There are so many holes, all right, because we have different sizes of the fans. Okay, because there are different sizes, you can choose which holes to use. All right, yes, and then you can choose to use just one, or you can choose to use 2 bars, as you see right here. Okay, all right, and then these screws, if you buy them, if you order them, you are going to get these screws. All right, these screws. Yes, so as you can see here, I fastened them by using the screws. All right, can you see the screws? All right, okay, so every fan has, the arrows to indicate where the air is flowing from, and then the direction of the rotation. All right, so in this case the air is going to blow from here to here. All right, and then the rotation of the blade is, clockwise. All right, so as you see here, I just fastened this to just 1 bar. All right, so in that case you can just order just one of this. Okay, and then I also have this version, this type. All right, so just as we have here, you can have your screw to fasten it either to the top. Can you get that? Either to the top or to the side. Okay, anyhow you want it. And then with this one, you can bend it to any angle you want. So if you want to, you fasten it this way to the wall, and then the fan is slanted, so it blows a little at an angle. All right, so these are some of the things you can get, and in a minute I want to show you the, hold on. Yeah, so this is the kind of screw you can use to fasten the bracket to your wall. All right, exactly. All right. Yeah, so since they are 12-volt fans, you can get your power converter, okay, power supply or power adapter that will convert your 220-volt or 110-volt to 12 volts. Okay, yes, so there's a 2-amp version. We have the 1-amp version also. Yes, so depending on the amp rating of your fan, okay, this one is clearer. Depending on the amp rating of your fan, okay, the higher the amp rating, the more powerful your fan is. So this being 1.6 amps, you need the 2 amps to carry it. All right, if you are talking about this, which is less than 1 amp, then you can use the 1 amp version. Okay, you can get all this from my kit shop, and then on Amazon. Okay, you can get this on Amazon. We are on Amazon, and you should be so careful. There are so many types, so many brands, so many types of quality. Yes, so just go down below, check under the video where I've displayed all the links to where you can get the exact item, so that you don't misplace yourself. I'm going to talk about this other one, which I made to hold any kind of anything. It could hold more fans, or it could hold a heater like this. All right, you need to get a gap between your heater and the body of your incubator, so you can have this holding onto your heater. Okay, so you can buy either two pieces or 3 pieces of this, and then you have screws holding this to the body of your incubator. Okay, all right, I hope that is clear. Yes, so those are the other things you can get. So just to talk about the size, well, you might want to have a close look at this. You can carry three of these fans. Okay, and go up. Yes, so you can carry 3 of these fans, 1, 2, and then 1 in the middle, 3, or any configuration you want. All right, combination of big, small, anyhow you want it, you can get. And then just to talk about the size, if you are familiar with this is the quail egg tray, okay, that most incubators use, the popular ones you might know, and that's how it goes. All right, so if you are having an incubator of this width, you can use the bracket. All right, thanks for watching. I have more videos coming up. Kindly like and subscribe if you haven't, so that anytime
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.